Money matters. Financial education is no longer optional. It's essential. In today's world, understanding your finances is crucial for success. Without it, you're vulnerable. You risk making poor financial decisions. Financial literacy empowers you. You gain control over your money. You make informed choices about spending and saving. This knowledge is your financial foundation. Ignorance about money leads to stress. It can strain relationships. It limits your options. Don't let this happen to you. Take charge of your financial future. Let's break down some key concepts. First up, budgeting. Track your income and expenses. Know where your money goes. This awareness is essential for financial health. Next, saving. Put money aside regularly. Start small. Consistency is key. Savings provide a safety net. They also help you reach financial goals. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth. It's about putting your money to work. Explore different investment options. Start early to maximize returns. Debt management is critical. Avoid unnecessary debt. Pay down high-interest debt quickly. Manage debt responsibly to secure your financial well-being. Financial literacy offers numerous benefits. It reduces financial stress. You worry less about money. You have peace of mind. It empowers you to achieve your goals. Want to buy a house? Retire early? Financial literacy provides the roadmap. Financial literacy improves your decision-making. You make informed choices about spending, saving, and investing. It allows you to build a secure future. You're prepared for unexpected expenses. You can weather financial storms. Section 4. Take charge, your journey to financial freedom. Ready to take control? Start by educating yourself. Read books. Attend workshops. There are countless resources available. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your spending. Identify areas where you can save. Small changes add up over time. Set financial goals. Make them specific and measurable. Having goals provides direction and motivation. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your situation. Section 5. Securing your future. The importance of financial knowledge. Financial education is an investment in yourself. It's never too early or too late to start. Take the first step today. Financial knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions. It gives you control over your money and your future. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Embrace financial literacy. Secure your financial well-being. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make it a bright one.